Welcome to Good Samaritan School online health and physical education class. Good morning, children. I am Thenmoli Kingsley, your physical education teacher. Today, I am going to talk about benefits of sports. For a long time, sports has been viewed as a way to stay healthy and in shape, but the importance goes much further. In fact, playing sports teaches life lessons like discipline, responsibility, self confidence, accountability, and teamwork. Studies have shown that exercises increases blood flow to the brain and helps the body to build more connections between nerves, leading to increased concentration, enhanced memory, stimulated creativity, and better developed problem solving skills. In short, playing sports help your brain to grow and makes it work better. From a social standpoint, sports is a powerful tool that brings people together and creates a sense of community. They develop connections that bond people together from all walks of life. I believe that playing sports also teaches us how to deal with failure and disappointment in life. Sports always gives a positive attitude. In addition to that, exercising is a great way to get out of the stressful life that is all about homework, tuitions, and projects. In fact, playing sports helps students relax and reduce their anxiety. Healthcare professionals recommend physical activity as a key ingredient to any stress management activity. Benefits of sports. Health. Sports increases the blood flow in the entire body. This helps in keeping the heart in the best condition. Moreover, the immunity of the body increases by playing sports. Regular sport causes more oxygen to be drawn into the body with carbon monoxide and waste gases expelled. This increases the lung capacity during sports and improves lung function and efficiency. You are also unlikely to get diseases like diabetes, cholesterol, and high blood pressure if you engage regularly in at least one form of sport. Exercise and sports trigger chemicals in the brain that can make you feel happier and relaxed. Lastly, if you exert more energy, you will feel tired, leading you to good night sleep cycle. Physical fitness. Sports and games play a major role in keeping a person physically fit. Also, it helps in keeping your body fat percentage low. This makes the appearance of the body better and makes a person good looking. Coordination, balance, and flexibility. Sports improves the coordination of your senses and body movements and take quick decisions. It also helps to improve your balance while running, standing, sitting, or exercising. And the more you engage yourself in a particular sport, the more flexible your body becomes to adapt to that sport. Improved energy levels. Regularly, Body exercise improves our energy levels. Sports students can be active throughout the day without getting tired. Increase stamina. Outdoor sports like football, cricket, basketball, swimming builds the stamina of a person. As all these sports require a lot of running, the stamina of a person automatically increases. Therefore, a person can work for a longer period of time without getting tired. Teamwork. In sports, you have to collaborate with other team members to win. To succeed in education, a student needs to work hard and work hand in hand with teachers and fellow students. After school, when working on a project, those with teamwork skills achieve their objectives. Companies and employers are interested in hiring employees who can work together with other employees to achieve a common goal. Teamwork skills are among other requirements to secure a good job. Discipline. Discipline is the key to success in sports. A student has to follow the rules set and obey his or her coach. With discipline, a student can reach his or her goals effectively. Time management skills are also learned in sports. Sports not just helps to bring discipline in life, it also teaches us the values of dedication and patience. Sports also teaches people how to handle failures. Managing emotions. Emotions run high on sports. Students can control their emotions. Coaches train students how various negative emotions can affect their performance. Emotion management skills learned at a young age helps to handle critical life challenges later on in life. Increased confidence. By training frequently and working towards your goals, you can build your confidence and abilities. This is especially noticeable through tournaments and matches where you and your team put your skills to the test. Small incremental achievements throughout the year can build personal confidence over time, giving you the ability to take on a new project and assignments at work with your newfound confidence. Sports is certainly an excellent tool to build self-confidence. Playing sports increases confidence to communicate properly. Reduce stress. When you are physically active, your mind gets a chance to unplug from daily stressors and strains of life. Physical exercises reduces the stress hormones in your body and stimulates the release of endorphins. These endorphins may give you more energy and focus for whatever life has. Leadership. Sports enable people to develop a team mindset, whether it's winning, losing, or training together. Sports can also develop great leaders and give an opportunity for individuals to shine, whether it is playing for at the grassroots level or at a national level. Stronger relationships. Sports enables you to build better relationships with people you may be aware of but do not know them personally. Through frequent sports training, you can get to know a lot about an individual's personality, their strengths and weaknesses. Sports with colleagues is a good opportunity to build better relationship and network that may help you. Healthy development. Children who play sports develop stronger bones and muscles, leading to a smaller chance of physical injury. Physical exercise before the onset of puberty has been identified by a New Zealand study as a way of reaching peak bone mass, enabling children to become stronger and greater foundation for future growth. Sports and health are heavily connected. Taking part in any sport can help us feel better, fitter, healthier, and mentally strong, and that is just the start of it. It can also be fun, especially when played as part of a team or with family or friends. You may be quarantined at home due to coronavirus pandemic, but you can play so many sports with your own family members, indoors or outdoors. Try something. You will not regret it. So, what are you waiting for? Don't just lie down. Instead, get your sports shoes ready and set up an early morning alarm and start exercising from today. Thank you, children. I hope you understood the benefits of sports. If there is any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Till we meet again, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay fit.